خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون.
Now, Allah said, He didn't create us humans and the jinn to do anything except salat. So as we are on campus, our salat, apart from the academicness, is salat. You know someone called Aisha in the house, but when she comes on campus, her name will turn into Ajwa. Someone, he will be leading in the house, but when he comes on campus, he will turn into Kofi. Islam is light. The salat, it won't take you more than 10 minutes. Let's pray. Let's pray. Don't change your identity on campus. As you are a Muslim, you can't do anything without leaving salat aside. Before you enter to the paradise, or before you succeed, achieve your aim, unless you perform salat. Because in the Quran, when Luqman is advising his son, say,
يا بني أقم الصلاة وأمر بالمعروف وانهى عن المنكر واصبر على ما أصابك إن ذلك من عزم الأمور.
When he is advising him, he didn't say, play game, do this, do that. He said, perform salat, pray. Pray. The only difference between us, the believers, and non-believers is salat. If you say prayers, we all pray. Even the traditionalists, they pray. But the difference between us and them is salat. Your jalab, your abaya, 500 cities, 1,000 cities abaya, does not mean you are Muslim. If you don't pray, no matter what, no matter your dressing, no matter how, you know how to recite the Quran, and if you don't pray, on the day of judgment, you enter into the hellfire. You will be among the losers. أول ما يحاسب هي يوم القيامة الصلاة. On the day of judgment, the first thing that Allah will ask us is our salat. You pray. You come on campus because they are providing things to come. Some didn't get the opportunity to be here. Think about those whom you left in the house. But you come on campus, you think you are Ogoro. You are more than them. Please, let's take our salat seriously. Let's pray. Let's keep on praying. Always, that's the thing that Allah needs us to do. Prayers, our salat. That's the most important thing, apart from academic. Let me tell you, if you keep on reading your books, always reading, if you don't perform salat, inshallah, you'll be among the losers. Inshallah. Some people think our books are more than the deen. No. And I'm not saying you should spend all the time on the deen. You should manage your time well and perform the salat. That's the reason why, the main reason why Allah created you and I. I won't spend my time. I would like to be Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.